Got concrete work. Here's gonna be a sidewalk. Down here, we're doing a sidewalk ramp leading to the pool deck area. It's formed out. Say hi, Caleb.
Hi.
That's the supervisor right there. It's about 4.5 feet wide. It's gonna come down here. And it's gonna be a smooth transition to this flagstone patio area. So from the top here, from that top to the bottom here, you're about 5 feet in elevation. So we needed to build a slight ramp coming down. Got a tight rebar still. Got the pump here. Got the concrete truck just arrived. Gonna start feeding the pump. We use a concrete pump in areas where it's hard to pour, back up a truck, get a buggy, or even a boom. This roof's so high we can't even get a boom, so we gotta resort to getting a concrete pump.
Come out of the picture, $5 more.
$5, you're cheap.
Something for the soda.
Bill Miller's.
You gonna buy that?
Hey guys, we're all finished up. Just need to clean up a little bit, but want to give you guys a walkthrough of the job we did, concrete work. Here's that small sidewalk leading from the carport to the outdoor kitchen. As we walk over here, we go to the sidewalk. So,
You talk to your friend. They don't know what it is. Yeah.
So we have a slight slope from the landing by the patio area to the patio area of the pool. There's this small ramp leading from the back porch area to the flagstone walkway. In the future, we're going to put steps right here leading down